From the courts of basketball legends to the feet of fashionistas across the globe, Nike and Jordan shoes are more than just footwear, they're cultural icons. But have you ever wondered what really goes into making these legendary shoes? Well, strap in, because we're about to take you on a journey behind the seams, soles, and swooshes to uncover the magic behind Nike and Jordan kicks. Before these shoes hit the streets, it all begins with an idea. Every Nike and Jordan sneaker starts in a design studio filled with some of the world's most innovative minds. But it's not just sketching shoes and calling it a day. This is where art, technology, and performance collide. Take the Jordan 1, for example, the original design for Michael Jordan himself. What started as a bold idea, breaking the mold with its red and black colorway, which the NBA actually banned at the time, became a global sensation. Today, Jordan brand designers still work to blend that iconic heritage with cutting-edge materials. But how do they do it? Nike's design teams work with state-of-the-art digital tools like 3D modeling software that allows them to craft every curve, stitch, and swoosh in incredible detail. Designers obsess over everything, including material, color, shape, and even how the shoe will feel on your foot. Nike prides itself on blending style and performance. And with Jordan brand, they aim to balance luxury with basketball heritage. They can even simulate how the shoe will look in different lighting, ensuring it's not just stylish, but also photogenic. Gotta think about those Instagram posts, right? And it's not just about looks, performance is key. Nike's Nike Air technology, which made its debut in 1979, has been reimagined time and again. Every iteration of the Air Max series pushes the envelope of cushioning, designed not only to support athletes, but to feel like you're walking on air. Now that we've spoken about designers and engineers, there's another essential group that plays a pivotal role in the creation process: the athletes themselves. Nike works closely with elite athletes, from basketball stars like LeBron James to soccer legends like Cristiano Ronaldo, to fine-tune every element of the shoe. Take the legendary Air Jordans, for example. Michael Jordan himself was deeply involved in the design process, from selecting materials to fine-tuning the fit for ultimate performance on the court. The same is true for modern athletes who give direct feedback to Nike's design team, influencing the creation of shoes that push the boundaries of sport. Next up, let's talk about what are these shoes really made of? What's the material involved in its making? You might think that shoes are just leather and rubber, but Nike and Jordan go way beyond that. The secret sauce behind Nike's legendary comfort and durability is in the materials they use. Let's talk about Flyknit. Ever heard of it? Nike revolutionized the sneaker world by developing this super lightweight, incredibly strong material that's knitted, not stitched. It's eco-friendly, flexible, and molds perfectly to your foot, reducing waste in the process. In fact, Nike Flyknit reduces fabric waste by up to 60% compared to traditional shoe manufacturing. And for Jordan, they've incorporated patent leather, high-tech synthetics, and even carbon fiber into their shoes for that sleek, high-performance feel. Ever wonder how they create those limited edition shoes that make sneakerheads go wild? It's all in the premium materials and exclusive touches like reflective elements, glow-in-the-dark soles, and exotic textures. We touched on the use of leather and synthetic materials, but Nike has ventured far beyond the traditional. Let's talk about some of their more futuristic materials. For instance, the Nike React Foam revolutionized cushioning in footwear by offering more spring and energy return than traditional foam materials. And then there's Nike Air, which is not just a marketing gimmick. The air pockets embedded in the soles are designed to reduce the overall weight of the shoe while maximizing cushioning and responsiveness, offering athletes better performance and comfort. Besides this, they've also experimented with Flywire technology, which is inspired by suspension bridges. The cables in the shoe's upper provide a snug fit, offering support without the extra bulk, perfect for athletes needing agility on the court or field. Let's not forget sustainability, a growing focus for both brands. Nike has introduced Nike Grind, a program that recycles old shoes and factory waste into new shoes and playground surfaces. Yes, those sneakers you're rocking might contain recycled materials, reducing the environmental impact. Talk about style and substance. Let's not forget the incredible global effort that goes into making a single pair of shoes. The materials come from all over the world. Leather from Brazil, synthetic fabrics from China, rubber from Malaysia, and they all converge at Nike's manufacturing facilities, primarily located in countries like Vietnam, Indonesia, and China. From there, the shoes are distributed to Nike's retail stores and outlets in over 190 countries. The logistics alone, getting millions of shoes to customers worldwide, requires an army of supply chain specialists. Advanced technology plays a huge role here too, with AI-driven logistics systems optimizing shipping routes, minimizing delivery times, and ensuring that every pair of Nikes is where it needs to be, exactly when it needs to be there. But that's just the beginning. What happens next might surprise you. Now, Nike and Jordan don't just make shoes, they innovate. Picture this, a team of engineers sitting in a lab brainstorming how to make you jump higher or run faster. Enter Nike's Air technology. That's right, those iconic air pockets you feel under your feet are not just for show. let's hit the heart of the action, the factory floor. One of Nike's most groundbreaking factories is the Nike Air Manufacturing Innovation Air MI facility, where the famous Nike Air units are made. These air-filled pods, designed for shock absorption, are created with precision airbag technology, similar to what's used in cars. Who knew your sneakers and your car had something in common? Nike and Jordan shoes are made using cutting-edge robotics and automation. From laser cutting the materials to seamless bonding techniques, these factories are a marvel of engineering. Robots assemble shoes with the kind of precision that would make a Swiss watchmaker jealous. But what about the soles, the real foundation of your every step? Let's jump to that. Here's where Nike and Jordan shoes get their bounce. The sole is made from multiple layers. An insole for comfort, midsole for cushion, and the outsole for grip. Fun fact, the outsoles? They're made with molds that are engineered down to the millimeter. Designers even analyze how you walk or run to optimize the tread. All right, we've talked about how they're made, but what about that final step? How do these shoes end up on your feet? Let's walk through the finishing touches. Once a pair of Nikes or Jordans is stitched up and pressed, they don't just get thrown into a box. No. There's an entire team dedicated to making sure every shoe meets Nike's strict standards. Think about it, every stitch, every panel, every logo has to be flawless. Any defect? Tossed out. This is how they maintain quality across millions of shoes. And let's not forget the packaging. Nike knows the unboxing experience is part of the magic. Each box has that signature swoosh, and opening a pair of Jordans is practically a rite of passage for sneakerheads. But it's not all robots. Humans are still an essential part of the process. Skilled workers inspect every detail to make sure that your kicks meet the brand's high standards. It's a perfect blend of technology and craftsmanship. You didn't think they just slap these shoes together and send them off, did you? Oh no, Nike and Jordan sneakers go through some seriously intense testing before they ever hit the shelves. From NBA players to Olympic runners, Nike shoes are tested by some of the best athletes in the world. The Nike Sports Research Lab, NSRL in Oregon, is where the magic happens. They analyze every step, jump, and twist using motion capture and pressure mapping to ensure that their shoes give maximum performance. But it's not just about performance on the court or track. Nike tests its shoes in extreme conditions. Whether it's running in desert heat or freezing cold environments, the shoes are put through the ringer to make sure they hold up under any condition. Ever wonder if your shoes can survive a zombie apocalypse? Well, Nike hasn't tested that yet, but we're sure they'd hold up. Nike's Move to Zero initiative aims to reach zero carbon and zero waste across their entire supply chain. They're also working on creating more shoes with recycled materials. In fact, Nike's Space Hippie collection is made from factory scraps and recycled plastic bottles, showing us that sustainability can be stylish too. Apart from this, they use recycled polyester, rubber from old shoes, and even plant-based dyes to create new sneakers. So when you buy a pair of Nikes, you're not just getting killer kicks, you're supporting a company that's trying to make the world a better place. And let's not forget about technology. Nike has already introduced self-lacing shoes with their Adapt line. Imagine walking into your house, tapping an app on your phone, and watching your shoes tighten to the perfect fit. Sounds like sci-fi, but it's happening now. And Jordans? Same deal. Jordan is also following in Nike's green footsteps, using sustainable materials and practices to keep your footprint light. And finally, it wouldn't be a full picture without talking about Nike's marketing machine and its influence on sneaker culture. Nike doesn't just sell shoes, they sell stories, lifestyles, and cultural relevance. Their ads feature inspiring athletes, game-changing moments, and a message that resonates far beyond sports. Just do it. Jordan Brand in particular has transcended the realm of basketball to become a cultural phenomenon. Owning a pair of Air Jordans isn't just about performance, it's a status symbol, a nod to the past, and a connection to one of the greatest athletes of all time. From limited edition drops that sell out in minutes to celebrity collaborations, Nike knows how to create hype and build loyalty. Sneakerheads around the world line up for hours just to get their hands on the latest release, each one a piece of history, art, and culture rolled into one. And obviously, we can't talk about how these shoes are really made without mentioning Nike's coolest secret. So hang in there, because what we are going to reveal would possibly amaze you. It's none other than their innovation kitchen. This isn't just a regular R&D lab, it's Nike's top secret facility where they cook up all the groundbreaking technologies we see in their products. Here, designers, engineers, and scientists collaborate in ways that push the boundaries of material science, biomechanics, and manufacturing processes. This is where some of Nike's most famous innovations like Flyknit, Lunarlon cushioning, and ZoomX foam were born. The focus is on designing products that not only perform better, but also use less energy, reduce waste, and create more durable, longer-lasting products. The lab is so secretive that most of Nike's own employees aren't allowed to enter. Only the select few who are working on Nike's next big breakthrough get access. And who knows, the next pair of shoes you buy might be something that was invented right in this futuristic lab. After all that, the shoes are packaged up and shipped out to stores across the world. Whether you're ordering online or snagging a pair from your local sneaker shop, rest assured that these shoes have been on quite the journey before they land in your hands. So as we wrap up this journey, it's clear that Nike and Jordan shoes are so much more than just footwear. They're a fusion of art, technology, and culture, representing the peak of innovation and performance. From From the drawing board to the store shelf, each step in the process is carefully crafted to ensure that you're getting the best possible product, one that has been engineered, tested, and perfected by some of the most brilliant minds in the industry. Whether you're an athlete looking for that performance edge, a fashion enthusiast sporting the latest trend, or just someone who loves a comfortable, high-quality shoe, there's a lot more going on beneath the surface of those sneakers than meets the eye. And as you lace up your Nikes or slip on your Jordans, remember the incredible journey these shoes have taken to get to you. A journey of innovation, craftsmanship, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. And there you have it. If you've enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at the world of Nike and Jordan, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into how your favorite products are made, and don't forget to ring that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep stepping up your game, one iconic sneaker at a time. If you like this video, you may also like these videos on your screen.